Today we're going to be talking about the SNEED-JET 1-inch printer from SNEED Coating Solutions and how to adjust your print speed. So we have everything set up here. We're going to go ahead and enable the printing, and we're going to run a test print. We have our current parameters set in the unit, but we want to see what that looks like. So we'll run our test print. All right, so now we take a look at our print and we can see it's a little smaller than what we would like. So when it comes to the print speed with the Inkjet printers, it's more like a print width. So at this current speed, you've got this distance. If we decrease the speed, it's actually going to shrink that together. It's going to make it print a little bit faster. If we increase the speed number, it's going to stretch it out. It's going to make it wider so it prints a little bit slower. So let's go ahead and make those adjustments. So first we've got to get down here to our printer, turn our print off. Anytime we're making changes, we want to make sure to turn the print off on the printer. Then we're going to go to our print set. And you can see our current speed is set to 10. We're going to increase that all the way up to 25. You can either use the arrows here or you can touch there in the field and you'll have to erase everything and then just type it in and hit enter. With the interval, that's the spacing from when the sensor reads the edge of the product until it actually begins to print. Since we already have one print on the box, we're going to move that over just so we can see those side by side. So I'm going to increase that all the way up to 40. All right, so we've changed our speed. This should stretch out the print, and we've increased our interval, so it's going to move it over on the box so we can see the two side by side. So we're going to hit our back arrow there. Turn our print on. It's going to accept those changes. Get our box into position here using our guide rail. Always recommended to use a guide rail to have things in the same and consistent position each time. And we're going to flip on the conveyor. All right. Now you heard that beep. That happens at the end of a print. So you can see we moved way over there on the box, probably further than what we would need if we were actually going to use this in a production environment. However, you can see that just by making those changes, we've moved it over. This was at an interval of 15. This was at an interval of 40. This was at a print speed of 10, and this was at a print speed of 25. So you can see how when you increase the speed number, it stretches out the code, or the smaller the print number condenses everything together. So that's making adjustments on your print speed on your SNEED Coating 1-inch automatic printer. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for using SNEED Coating Solutions.